Even though I'm still in these streets, I'm like a local expert. You blog about me on your social network.
What's going on, world? It's your man DCBIKER back with another video. We're not in front of the CBR today, but instead we're in front of a 96 ZX9, which needs a lot of TLC. If you guys remember the video I made with Country Joe, where he's riding the Yamaha Roadstar, there's a point in the video where I tell you about his ZX9 that I was hoping he would restore so he would have a sport bike to ride. He has a sport bike. He has a 96 ZX9, which I've been trying to get him to restore. But right now he's into this cruiser life, so we're going to roll with that for a while. But we hope to get him back on his ZX9 and get him back sport biking again. Well, this is that bike. My mission today is to rescue this bike from his barn where it's been sitting for years and take it home and get it running again. He's had it sitting in a barn for a long time, and as a result it's starting to fall apart. He had a tool that fell from the ceiling and put a hole in his airbox. He's taken the fairings and tank off. I guess he's looking to paint those. But the bike needs a lot of TLC to get going again, and my mission is to take it home and get it running. I guess the carburetors probably need to be cleaned out, change all the fluids. He recently put a new battery in. He's powder coated the rims black. They were silver. He's put new tires on, front and rear. But he really wasn't doing much else to the bike. It's just been sitting for the longest time. Everything's just really dirty and dusty. So he's throwing in the service manual, which should help. And we're going to see if we can't get this thing going. It has about it has about 19,000 miles on it. And not bad for a 96. But again, it's been sitting for a long time. So we hope to get this thing running by the 4th of July and fully restored by the end of the summer. So that being said, look forward to videos of the progress of this restoration. Now, as for me, I have not been making videos. I have been riding, but I have not been recording. And the weather's been really bad here. It's been a lot of rain. Like some weeks it seems like every day. But I've been riding when I can squeeze some in, but not really recording much. I plan to make more videos this summer, so stay tuned for that. Now, if you guys remember the video I made with the guy we call the douche, where he bought a CTX 700. Well, shortly after he bought that bike, sadly, he was out playing with his dog and a Rottweiler came up and started attacking his dog. He tried to pull the dogs apart and he was attacked by the Rottweiler, which bit off the pinky tip of his left hand. So he has not been able to ride all winter, which we were planning to make videos throughout the winter, but he's been down because of the injury. So he's only been able to ride the bike one time since he bought it, and he's now recovered and hoping to ride this summer. So look forward to another Honda being in some of the videos, and the restoration of this bike, and some CBR 1000 stuff of my own bike, and all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you are not. If you are subscribed, hit the notification bell. Like this video if you did like it. And look out for more content to come, because it can't rain forever, y'all. It's going to rain today, but it can't rain forever, so we plan to get out there and get some videos made. As for now, I'm out. Catch you on the next one. See ya.